Oh, what up guys? Today's video is going to be super interesting, but some of the angles are off, man. Only simply because my GoPro's turned down just so you can see my rod and reel. So when I get stopped by this game warden, you're not going to be able to see his face or anything like that, unfortunately. But you can hear the conversations that go on. I got really nervous, man, but everything checked out. We were good. We were able to secure a fishing license and stuff like that, so we can keep making videos legally now. But man, this was probably one of the hardest fishing days I've had in a long time. I think we fished for like 9 hours, and you'll see how many fish we caught in the video. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace. Enjoy. We're just gonna see. Well, if I fall in, at least let me get it on video. Oh, those are ants. Oh, they're everywhere. Not for me.
Cool. You're checking fishing licenses today.
I don't have one, sir. I'm going to be honest with you. All three of my buddies do, though.
Okay. You got ID with you?
No, sir. That's why I didn't get my license today. Because I left it at the house. I went to go get it at Walmart, and I don't have it on me.
Okay. But you decided to fish anyway, right? Have you ever had a fishing license?
Not that I'm aware of, no, sir.
Where are you from? You from here?
Yes, sir.
What's your first name?
Caleb.
With a C?
Yes, sir.
Last name?
Forsyth, Forsythe. Is there a way I can renew it?
Yeah, let me talk. Give me just a second. I'm gonna go check. Are you not going anywhere, are you?
No, sir. That's our truck.
Okay.
I rode with him. I was just going to walk around and go on this other side of the creek here.
I'm gonna go talk to you. You can go with me and we'll go talk.
Okay, cool.
Check your buddies real quick. Are they catching anything?
We just got here 5 minutes ago. I got one buddy over here and then two down there.
Okay.
Hey, Jay. Come here.
State game warden, how you doing, man? Good. Start checking licenses today.
Too much truck.
Yeah, I can look it up.
Tony, Trey.
What's your birthday? Today, huh?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Yeah. Thanks. Appreciate it.
Problem.
I knew forgetting my ID was going to be a bad thing.
Huh?
Not having my ID. I tried to tell them, because we all went to Walmart to go get them, because they both got theirs today.
Oh.
And I was like, oh, I can't go in. Go.
We got an easy way to take care of it.
Good.
Take care, man.
No problem.
How's it going, guys?
How's it going, sir?
Good. Just start checking.
Oh, it's up in the truck.
I think I can renew it or something, he said. We'll see.
Sorry.
Take that.
Expired. 12/30. Shit. I can look it up there. What's your first name?
Antonio.
I might not have grabbed my mail.
I can look it up. on January 1st.
The Lone Ranger here. Fuck.
Think about his birthday. I'll explain it to you real quick with all you guys. Okay, so you don't have a license, you got to have one. You get caught fishing without one, you have two options. Option one, I can write you a ticket. The ticket is $264.
I don't like that one.
Nope, that's not a good one. Second one is better. You can buy a license from me to fish.
Oh.
Okay.
License is good to fish for 30 days.
Okay.
That license costs $50. It's
Okay.
more expensive, obviously, and it's
Do you
expires
accept
quicker.
Apple Pay?
I can accept any kind of debit or credit card.
Who am I Apple paying?
Yeah, I was saying this. I got you. Or my wallet's in the truck,
Yeah, my
actually.
wallet's Yeah, we can do that real quick.
Okay.
Fuck. At least I got a 30-day fishing license.
Yeah, you're gonna have, then now you're gonna catch all the fish.
Legally.
Yeah, that's right.
I ain't gonna lie. Right when I came up this hill right here, he scared the Yep. Finally. Here we go. Ooh, it barely missed his eye. Nope, it got his eye. Poor dude. Sorry, bro. I hope you can still see out of it. All right, not a fishless day. Thank you, baby Jesus. Oh, we fished all day, bro, for that one fish. All freaking day. Look, Jay stopped even to go to, he was gonna look at him. He was gonna go to the bathroom, but oh, I can't believe it. Thank you, God. Oh, dang, he tore this bandito bug up. Oh, me and Jay were just walking back like, man, rough day out here. We've been fishing, we've fished like 15 different places. Oh my goodness. It's cold out here. It's been 100+ degrees outside for the past week, and then today it's like 50 something. Oh, thank you, God. Right by that little tree pile. I literally just casted right here, 2 feet out. And he was just sitting in that brush pile. Man, these bandito bugs, like, this is the first time I've had it on all day, and now all of a sudden I caught one. Let's go back around this brush pile again. Oh, not that far away. Oh no. Okay. I've always at least caught one fish here. Two. Oh, damn. I think I'm setting these hooks way too hard. I just don't want to lose them. Hey, calm down, buddy. Calm down. Oh, I hope it didn't hit him in the brain. Oh, sweet. Baby, 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 baby.